Davao City update, we now have free therapy and early intervention services for children with special needs here in Davao City. Currently in soft opening pa lang, they operate from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. So the center is called DCS NICC. Location, I'm gonna put it here. So to all the indigent families residing in Davao City with children aged 0 to 6 years old who exhibit developmental delays or disabilities such as, ayan, ilalagay ko dito, naanay DCS NICC na makatabang ninyo. Naa sila'y physical therapy, speech therapy, ug daghan pa nga makatabang gyud sa inyong mga anak. So this project was first initiated by then Mayor, now Vice President Sara Duterte, and was continued by our Mayor, Mayor Sebastian Duterte. For more information, pwede mo muadto sa CSWDO or pwede mo mutawag dire. Please spread the word para daghan nga indigent families here in Davao City ang matabangan. Punta tanang syudad dire sa Pilipinas na ay ingani para mas daghan nga bata ang matabangan. Again, please spread the word. Daghang salamat.